Hi everyone, I'm Ray, the CEO of Coolpo. Recently, we have had a lot of customers coming in asking questions about security, and we decided to put out a video of taking parts of mass-produced version of our PANA so that you can get a better idea of our hardware design and how PANA works. Here is the breakdown part of our AI Huddle PANA. Next, Simon and Matthew will explain the hardware design of PANA and the workflow of it.
Hi, this is Simon, the technical support of Coolpo. And now after the PANA have been assembled, we will start presenting the parts of the PANA. So this is our optical lens. It is a fisheye lens composed of 9 glass lenses. Very good control of optical distortion. The outermost lens is equipped with a special coating to ensure that the picture will not be affected and that there's strong light in the conference room.
Hello, I'm Matt, Global Operation VP at Coolpo. This is a Sony 1/1.7-inch image sensor attached to the lens. The size of the sensor determines the quality of the image, and the lens is optimized so that there are no gaps between multiple lenses, allowing better image quality.
So this is our microphone array board with 4 high-sensitive microphones, which are usually used in high-end sound receiving devices. We have made it dust-proof and shock-proof to make the sound input more stable. What's even better is that our upcoming PANA Pro will have 8 microphone setups for better sound receiving. Connected to the microphone board is our audio processing board with a chip dedicated to run audio algorithms.
Unlike other products, we decided to separate the audio and video processing of the PANA from the start to ensure that all aspects are maximized and that the redundancy of the design provides a vehicle for subsequent algorithm upgrades and features additions. Once the sound from the conference room is transmitted from the microphone board to the audio processing board, it will perform a series of audio processing algorithms, including noise reduction, vocal recognition, time difference on arrival, beamforming, and echo cancellation, etc.
This is our vision processing board, which has an AI chip on it with 2T of computing power, which ensure that we have enough computing resources to provide industry-leading algorithms and constant updates. The data from the vision sensor are intelligently processed here, while the audio processing board transmits the orientation and angle of the human voice. It calculates through this cable to the AI chip for comprehensive decision making. After the vision board has processed all the audio and video data, it will pass through this cable to the connection board at the bottom of the device. As you can see, there are no Wi-Fi or Bluetooth modules on this board. The last piece is our transmission board, which provides a USB port for data transmission and power supply port. Apart from those 2 ports, there are no other physical interface to connect with the device.
This is also our original intention of the design, as a standalone AI device without Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and SD card. Neither we nor any third party has permission or the ability to access any of our customers' conference images and sound data from the PANA.
Here's one question from our customers. How come the PANA been more accurate and smart?
That is because we have data collection teams worldwide simulating various meeting rooms and various people to achieve a more accurate model. It is our pleasure to provide better user experience for our customers with the ever-evolving technology.
Thanks for your watching. Bye.